In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an RSS feed to Squarespace. By the end, you'll have an RSS block on your site that your visitors can use to follow your content in their favorite RSS reader. First, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account and looking at your home dashboard. This is the main screen you see after signing in, where you can access all the different parts of your site. If you manage multiple sites, double check that you've selected the correct one before moving on. From the home dashboard, click on Website. This takes you into the area where you can manage your pages and edit your site's layout and content. Think of this as your main control center for everything your visitors will actually see. Next, click on Edit. This will switch your site into editing mode. You'll notice that when you hover over different sections of the page, you'll see options to add or change content. Make sure you are on the page and section where you want the RSS feed to appear. This could be on your blog page, your home page, or even in a sidebar or footer, depending on your design. Now, locate the exact section where you want to place the RSS feed and click on Add Block. In Squarespace, blocks are the basic building elements, like text, images, forms, and so on. When you click Add Block, a menu will pop up showing all the different block types you can insert. From this block menu, scroll until you find the RSS block, then click on RSS. Squarespace will drop an RSS block into the section you selected. You'll see a placeholder RSS box appear on your page, but it's not connected to anything yet. To configure it, hover over that RSS box and click on the small pen icon that appears above it. This opens the settings for the RSS block. Here, you'll connect the block to your blog's RSS feed so it knows what content to display. You'll need to create a link to your blog page's RSS feed so visitors can subscribe using their RSS reader. Typically, this is the feed associated with your blog collection. Once that link exists, the RSS block can recognize it and pull in your posts. After you've set up your blog and its RSS feed, you'll be able to select one of your pages in the RSS block settings, in the area that initially says there are no collections. Choose your blog page there, save your changes, and your RSS feed will now be live on your Squarespace site.